I'm feeling tired yet. Oh, how do I? Wait, how do I fly?
No, inverted controls. No, wait.
Inverted control.
No, I hate inverted controls. Okay.
Uh-oh.
This is just like Harry Potter. There's like a level where
Why am I
you fly
flying
with
this way?
just inverted controls.
If you miss one, you have to die. That's it. It kills you if you miss one. Why am I flying backwards?
Weight does kill you. This is the hardest part so far. Why is it so finicky?
I know! It's so good! The control is almost...
I just look at your screen and you just miss.
The control sucks!
Okay, wait.
We're doing it, we're doing it, we're doing it!
Okay.
See you later, sucker!
I can't do this. This is my nemesis in video games. I can't. You're gonna have to go on without me. I can't. I literally can't.
I can't either. I'm going straight down.
Okay.
Okay. I'm using all of my brain cells. Every single one.
We should just go into the options and like reset our control scheme.
Phew!
Oh, I did it first try!
Yay! It's that easy! Don't worry, there's
it's
more!
so easy! Oh, there's more! Okay, that's good. That's good.
Just
That's
missed it.
great. That's great.
Killed me for missing it.
Wait, it starts there?
I know! It starts in such a fast position!
I can't!
I know!
The beautiful music as we just die over and over again.
It's so
okay, we got this. Oh, they're moving.
No,
Oh
it's over. I just barely made. Oh, don't worry.
Okay, I got it. Oh god.
Why is it over there? I shouldn't have waited for you. I win! The way it goes full screen. Full screen to watch this. Why? Why did it miss? Oh, don't worry, it reset me over here.
Oh my god. Full screen.
Don't even worry.
Don't
worry.
Oh my god.
The
What if we feel pain? Stop. Okay. No, you got.
I got this. I'm overshooting. Oh my god.
Stop.
I should just be a look. Is that not enough momentum?
Okay, that one. Yes,
Is it not enough momentum to just grab it? I'm flying.
Press it.
I'm flying for it. I'm flying.
Okay.
Flying right for it. Whee.
Okay.
What's so long, huh? Yeah.
Aerial controls.
What? That was fun. Let's get out of here.
Why is she such? She's the one
such
that
a
won
sore
the
loser.
I know. Why does she look so annoyed? Does she want to do that? Bye, everyone. Good